Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and latest decoration ideas about Christmas centerpieces. As we know the Christmas is coming soon and everyone is waiting and celebrating this beautiful occasion and everyone very excited to celebrate the religious and beautiful festival. So my dear viewers, I am here for you. In this video you will see such a beautiful and colorful centerpieces ideas with design and fairy lights, balls and many more beautiful and colorful centerpieces idea. All these ideas are very unique and wonderful, which is helpful for your home decor because everyone celebrated the beautiful festival, and this beautiful festival is celebrated worldwide in every year, and everyone enjoy and celebrate the most precious and beautiful occasion. So in this occasion my videos are very helpful for my all dear viewers who are waiting and watching my videos. So watch this video till the end, which is very helpful for your home decor, and you will love this video because it is very beautiful and it is helpful for your home decor. My dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and share my videos also with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a wonderful day.